Okay. We got presents from Nana for Wyatt's birthday.
You got Toy Story 1 and 2. Wow.
Alright. And Addie got some nice clothes from Nana.
Say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Say I love you, Nana.
I love you, Nana.
Hey Wyatt, what you got there, buddy? Alright, what's in there? Try it again. Wyatt, what's that?
Some new shorts? Some new shirts? Wow. Say thank you.
Oh. Alright, we got another one to open.
No, this is for Wyatt.
That's for Wyatt. It's for his birthday. Let's get the card. Are you going to help Wyatt open his card? Wyatt, what's that? Oh my goodness! Wyatt, what's this?
Oh!
Alright, give Wyatt his card.
Who is that? Addie. Who is that?
Who's that? Alright, we love that.
That's so cool, Wyatt. Wyatt, hold it up. Wow! Say thank you. Look at Daddy. Say thank you, Nana.
Wyatt, say thank you, Nana.
Say thank you, Papa. Wyatt, can you say thank you,
Say thank you,
Papa?
Grandpa. Say thank you to Grandpa. Uh-oh, Addie, you fall?
Say thank you, Grandpa. Wyatt, say thank you, Grandpa.
Close enough. Alright. Alrighty.
Thank you.
Well. You like your shirts?
I want to take a picture of my shirt.
Okay, alright. Say bye, Nana, Grandpa, thank you. We love you.
I want to take a picture.
Okay, signing off. Thanks, Mama. Thanks, Pop.